Namaste to all, good morning to all. Advanced KP Stellar Astrology online Zoom classes, the English medium. Starting date is 10/1/2025. That means coming January 10th, 2025, the class will be start. Basic qualification for this class is the student should know the basic astrology knowledge or some KP astrology knowledge also. If it is there, that is preferable. Otherwise, basic traditional astrology knowledge must be known. Course fees is 7,500 rupees. For 50 pre-recorded videos and 15 live Zoom classes we will give. First of all, once you paid 7,500 rupees, immediately within 24 hours, we sent 50 pre-recorded videos with study material. Then the starting date 10th January, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. The live Zoom class, that is doubt clarification class, will be conducted by Jyotish Kalanidhi A. Devaraj, Chennai. For cell number 9382339084. Meantime, before coming to the online class, that means the class is starting date is 10/1/2025. But before 15 to 10 days before, if you join, we send the 50 pre-recorded video. Before joining the online Zoom class, that means before January 1st joining is good, because you can see all the recorded video, minimum 20 to 25 pre-recorded video. If you see, you can easily understand the online live Zoom class. So once the payment 7,500 received, within 24 hours, our 50 recorded video and study material to be sent immediately. The doubt clarify classes is 45 minutes, 15 classes through Zoom meeting. That means Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. IST. The doubts clarify classes also recorded. That means the Zoom classes also recorded, and it will be sent to all the students through the private link. For more, actually this private link only you only can see, the student only can see, lifelong they can see. We can't delete the 50 recorded video and 15 live Zoom classes. For payment, Google Pay number is 94457217993. Phone Pay number is 9382339084. For more detail, please contact 9382339084. Our website is www.astrodevaraj.com and www.kpastrologyclass.com. Topics, the covered topics is importance of Cuspal Interlinks, CIL concept, principle and golden rule in Cuspal Interlinks theory, inner and outer bhava karagas details, importance of potential for all bhavas, importance of dasa buddhi, application of Cuspal Interlinks theory, and birth time rectification and ruling planet, finance or money astrology, job and profession astrology, marriage astrology, education astrology, medical astrology, childbirth astrology, and the property astrology, timing of event astrology, share market astrology, foreign travel astrology, business astrology, various horoscope analysis, transit analysis in horoscope, horary or prasanna prediction technique also. Note, those who are coming to our online class, please watch our English YouTube public videos also. For more details, please contact 9382339084. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.